Singapore is seeing a surge in cargo volumes, with air freight movements rising over 2% and container throughput jumping some 6% in the first 4 months of the year. Given the volatility in global trade, firms are looking to Singapore as an alternative route to ensure a smooth flow of goods. Kate Low with this report.
Even with uncertainty in global trade routes, goods are still moving and fast. Logistics giant FedEx says air freight demand remains strong in Southeast Asia, especially as US tariffs prompt businesses to reroute shipments. It's why the firm is investing in its air connectivity networks, launching a new cargo direct flight from Singapore to the United States last month.
I think Singapore is being positioned in a very advantageous position because for FedEx, Singapore is also our consolidation platform that we bring volume from across the region into Singapore as the South Pacific hub. Then we go worldwide. So this is where we also see the advantage of Singapore, where when Southeast Asia grow, we see more volume coming to Singapore as transshipments.
At sea, shipping company Maersk is also reporting higher volumes in the region. It expects this trend to continue into the second quarter, with front-loading activity picking up. But geopolitical uncertainties have triggered mixed responses. Some firms are rushing shipments out, others are taking a wait-and-see approach.
We also have seen customers looking for bonded warehouse solutions at the destination, which is primarily to ensure that they can store the goods without paying at that point yet any import duties or taxes. And we also have seen some customers diverting their cargo to other destinations and different markets, so they can keep the cargo flowing and cater to a different customer or market segment.
One analyst says Singapore is well placed to benefit, but more can be done to support future growth.
I think it's also important to develop strategic partnerships within ASEAN itself. We sitting in ASEAN, and that basically means building partnerships with key trading partners, shipping lines, and that will help Singapore's ports to maintain its position as a primary trading hub.
Analysts add that continued infrastructure investments, such as developments at Tuas Port, will be key in keeping Singapore competitive and efficient as a global trade hub.